Is it proper for a lady, right, to have more than one guy, more than one boyfriend?
Yes, it's actually proper. Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Why so?
Okay, let's see. Actually, I'm a very expensive girl, so at least I cannot have one guy, because at least when I'll just be like, I need this amount, he will not give it to me in full. So I need the one that will take care of my hair, down for my outfit, down for my handbag, down for my shoes, down for my feeding, and other stuffs.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus waiting. You dey there dey interview person dey talk rubbish, you just keep quiet dey watch am, you dey shout Jesus waiting. You no know wetin you go do, you no get hand, give am one for here na, make her 32 fall off, make teeth full ground, you dey there dey watch am. Look at rubbish wey she dey talk, she get luck no be me dey do that interview. By now her 32 don full for ground. Yes, teeth go surplus for ground, where she never still go flew, because I go still locate her location. If you know her location, help me drop her, because I go locate her location and I go dismantle her 32. I go embezzle her teeth, everything wey dey her mouth go surplus for ground. Just drop her location for me.